Dental implants. A dental implant is an artificial tooth root that an oral implantologist places into your jaw to hold a replacement tooth or bridge. Dental implants are actually more tooth-saving than traditional bridge work. Procedure of dental implant. A local anesthetic will be administered to numb the areas where the implants will be placed. After you are comfortable, an incision is made in the gum where the implant will be placed. Using special instruments, a socket is created, carefully avoiding damage to the bone. The titanium dental implant is then inserted into the socket. Finally, if necessary, sutures will be used to secure the incision. A new incision is made over the implant and another component called an abutment is screwed on top. The abutment is used to support a crown.